Did you know that hydrangeas have a secret? They have a secret ability to change their flower color based on the pH level of the soil. And you can actually have control over this. You can adjust the color of new plantings or pre-existing shrubs with basic science. Hello, this is Amy from Gardening Know-How, and I'll be sharing the secret tricks to turn the hues to blues or the pigments to pink. First things first, not every type of hydrangea has the ability to color change. Only the flowers on mophead and lace cap possess this ability. White flowering hydrangeas, including popular varieties such as Limelight or Quickfire, plus the oak leaf types, are not affected. The same is true for members of the smooth hydrangea group, with varieties that include Annabelle and Incredible. The flowers will remain the color they were bred to be, no matter what soil amendments are added to the planting area. After you have decided that you want to make your hydrangea change color, it is important to understand how and why the color change can occur. If your soil is high in aluminum and has a low pH, the hydrangea flower will be more blue or even dark purple. If the soil has either a high pH or low in aluminum, the hydrangea flower color will be more pink. Generally speaking, it is easier to change the hydrangea from pink to blue than from blue to pink. While a soil test would be helpful to determine your starting pH, it is not always necessary. You can add or reduce certain soil amendments to achieve the desired color. The easiest way to do this is by adding either aluminum sulfate, garden sulfur, or garden lime to the soil. If you want to turn your pink hydrangeas blue, you'll need to lower the pH or acidify the soil. If you want to turn your blue hydrangeas pink, you'll need to raise the pH. Organic matter such as compost can also be added to help lower the soil's pH. On a side note, it may be difficult to achieve a blue color if the shrub is planted near a concrete foundation or sidewalk, as these types of structures often leach lime into the soil, creating a higher pH. When adding garden sulfur, aluminum sulfate, or lime, be sure to follow the instructions on the package, as the amount needed will vary depending on the size of your plant. Be sure to apply the product along the drip line of the plant, which is located under the outer circumference of the shrub's branches. Also, keep in mind that it may take several weeks to several years to completely change the color of your blooms. Repeat these steps annually in the spring to achieve the desired color. Now you have the know-how to change the color of your hydrangeas. Pink or blue? Well, it's up to you. Be sure to tap or click on our Hydrangea Care playlist for more know-how on general care, pruning, and our 5 tips for happy hydrangeas. Well, thanks for watching and happy gardening!